Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and installing these Waterdrop WD-F32 water filters for my LG refrigerator. Alright, so today I have received my water filters. These are lead-free, material, food grade, advanced activated coconut carbon block. So I purchased this to refill my filters of my LG refrigerator. It has gone out, so I decided to purchase another one. This one here gives you a pack of 3, which they say these should last up to 6 months each, depending on your water style. So my water is very hard, so every 3 to 6 months I need to replace it. So right here you get a user guide, basically how to install it. You get some stickers to put on it to tell you what month you have changed. The great thing about it is you get 3, so if you're actually changing every 6 months, you'll get a year and a half off of this package. So these are the WD-F32s. They're good for the LG refrigerators, LT700P, ADQ36006101. And they've got other models that is compatible with. It is NSF42 certified. It's a perfect fit. It has a patent filter, lead-free, BPA-free. So now this is the month of June, so I'm going to place this on the filter itself. So with this filter, it is efficient filtration, ensures purity of each drop. It reduces heavy metals and other impurities. So now I have to remove my eggs to expose the filter. So right here, I'm just going to remove this part and remove the filter. This filter is disgusting. So this is replacing the A1200. Just going to stick it right up in there, push it in, and it should lock. And then you just lift it up. I had to turn it back. It was backwards. So you just lift it up right in there and it'll lock into place. You'll close this up. So it removes chlorine, bad taste, and bad odor. So now I'm just going to get some water out of my refrigerator. First, you're going to have it spewing a little bit just because it's a new filter. Once it's filtered all the way through it, it'll come out as normal. It does have a really great taste to it. I can see that it does take out the chlorine, the bad taste, and the odor. It reduces heavy metals and other impurities. So these should be replaced every 6 months depending on how bad your water is. It fits with 0 leakage, so when I put it in, it is not leaked. It is superior in natural minerals. So it has the coconut shell. It actually is the best one on the market. From cleaning out the impurities by utilizing a natural coconut shell from the Sri Lanka, this unique carbon block features an abundance of microscopic pores to adhere to higher absorption of impurities. It rids of drinking water of variety potential hazards presented in the chlorine. It is an overused water filter that has a potential of damaging your body through accumulations of impurities. So this helps it. The Waterdrop filter provides a handy mouth sticker to notify required replacements. You will remain informed in the upcoming replacement schedule with a simple glance of a sticker. So before you have really bad water, so putting this on will clean out the chlorine, the bad taste, bad odor. So if you're looking for something that cleans all that out of your water, of the impurities, and you do have LG refrigerators, I would definitely recommend this one. This one does work perfectly. It says to clean out every 6 months or 200 gallons, whichever comes first. This works on my LG side by side with the freezer on the bottom. I'm not sure which one you have. Definitely check the description to make sure that it is compatible with your device. But if it is compatible, I would definitely recommend this one. This one has a really great filter and it takes out all the impurities of your water.